top down, music on, underneath the big blue sky. Hey, hey, get a smile and a thumbs up from everybody passing by. Oh, oh, am I only dreaming? Could it all be true? Feeling like my lucky day, 'cause things are going my way. Getting lucky at whatever I do. Oh, oh, oh. There's $100 bill staring up at me from the street. Hey, hey. Then I order a burger and the waiter brings it out for free. Oh, oh. If I'm only dreaming, I make believe it's true. Feeling like my lucky day.
How are you doing?
We are good. We're excited that you guys are here.
Thank you. I just wanted to understand, from your perspective, what motivated you to go solar?
I think it's for us, we have been thinking of going solar for almost close to now more than 5 years. But earlier the cost was quite exorbitant, and then having realized the COVID impact with the change coming through, most of us working from home. And I think that's pushed us into getting into solar, because we thought we could get more value now with solar being installed. So yeah, that was one of the biggest motivation.
That's nice.
Greener solution, of course.
And why did you choose Trina Solar?
So we had this recommendations, it's a close friend of mine, he is at Trina Solar, and then so we have been getting reviews from him as well as from other customers, from close friends. And I think that's, and then having done some own research, in terms of what's the value that comes from Trina Solar. So there are other operators too, what is called, something like it's Geo or something. I can't remember. There was another Chinese one, but then I think between this another Chinese one and this one, and there was a Korean one, which was LG one, which was more expensive. Because the value for money comes from Trina, and then having been in the industry for pretty long, close to 25 years or so, we thought it's a product that will live up to its reputation, and that's why I thought it's a reliability factor is equally important for us. So that's why we decided to go ahead with Trina.
Okay, that's nice. And why did you choose to go with RK Solar?
So to be frank,
It's a recommended.
it was a recommendation.
Installer,
So because when I was evaluating, I got quotes from other operators too. I went on to solar quotes. I got some quotes from there. I had another one of my friend. He also, I asked a quote from that person too, and he's a batchmate of mine. And then, of course, then I got from RK Solar because it was again recommended by a few friends. So when I did a comparison, from a pricing point of view, the quote was quite competitive. And then at the same time, for us, because it's the installation that's coming through, so it's a word of mouth is very important for us. And from then Kunal, he personally came in, he explained us the benefits of solar, and so that is, I think that makes the decision to sway towards one operator, when to what extent you are going towards in terms of building the relationship and giving that comfort factor to the customers, that we will get the job done. So I think that's what made us go towards RK Solar.
That's nice to hear about RK Solar. And do you recommend RK Solar and Trina Solar panels to other homeowners also?
Yeah, we would definitely recommend, because for us it's still early days, but the initial experience has been quite delightful. It's the whole installation process.
He's been quite open with communication. He explained us how it will help us with our bills, how physically it will help us every month. And then he helped us with the apps, and he's got everything. The installation was seamless. So yeah, I guess we recommend him.
And even my brother now, he's gone in with RK Solar.
Yeah.
So there are two of us. So we hope to get good service from RK Solar, and then it's the end of the day, the word of mouth is what helps us, or would help the company so as to differentiate from others. So
Thank you so much for your feedback, and we are delighted that we were able to help you.
Sure.
And thank you.
No worries.